Today I'm gonna show you how to build Lego lawn mowers. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is not actually the first lawn mower I built on the channel. A few months ago I built this orange bigger scale one for another contest, but today we are gonna actually build in minifigure scale. So we are gonna start with basically, I don't know exactly how it's called, I think it's called a pull lawn mower. So we are gonna take very few pieces, very simple. Here we are gonna have two wheels at the front made with regular studs. On top we are gonna connect everything together, one more plate at the bottom, and then another space to connect some wheels at the bottom. These are the studs with the hole, so they go through the modified brick. We can use one of these cover from the wheels in like Speed Champions and stuff like that to create the top. Here we are gonna connect at the back the space where we collect all the cut grass, and then we are gonna add the handle. So we're gonna have one, we are gonna have two, and then this is actually the bucket holder. We are gonna slide it into here so that we can create a little bit of a more interesting shape to this lawnmower. Is a little bit tilted forward. We can regulate this up and down as well as this one. So I think this is pretty good in minifigure scale. Now, before we move to the bigger one, which is a riding one, I'm gonna tell you why I'm building this. So as you know, if you follow the channel, I'm building for the Rogue Olympics. I already have 3 builds done that you can find on the channel. Builds that has to have 101 or less parts. The prompt for this week was garden. So actually I was building something totally different. So I was building actually a sort of botanical garden, something like this. But I was not really happy with it. I end up already like over 100 parts and I was struggling to add the details. Yes, there is some good part usage here with this minifigure like headgear used as big plants. Here we have a Hulk arm, a sort of rock, but to make it look nice on this sort of base plate, I had to add a lot of wedge plates, and I decided to scrap this because I really was not happy with this. So I decided to build lawnmower. Now I'm gonna show you the bigger one and then we're gonna put it into a scene. So for the bigger one, I'm using some of these older style wheels. We are gonna connect one at the front and one at the back. At the underside of these wheels, we are gonna connect a modified brick so we can add a little bit of detail at the front, something like this. In the center, we're gonna add a jumper so that we can have the steering wheel. And at the back here, I'm gonna add a bracket with some blue details and another cover here at the back. So here you can already get a little bit of the idea of the color scheme. So we have black, we have dark red, and we have this shade of blue. Over here at the front, we are gonna connect another 2 plates with a modified plate so that we have the front part of this big riding lawnmower. Here at the front, I'm gonna use this wood piece with a couple of bricks on the side, and then with brackets, I'm gonna create the side so that we can have a little bit of a smooth corner. On this side, I make it 1 plate taller so that I can have a little bit of spacing to add another bracket facing downward. This is not gonna be connected, it's just gonna slide in there. So here you can see already the shape. I need this connection because at the bottom I need I don't know how is actually this called in reality. So this is where the machine is spitting off the grass that has been cut. So it's not collecting it, but it's spreading it around. And with one stud over there, I can connect and give it a slight angle. And also will keep this from falling off. Yes, there is a little bit of wiggling, but mostly this is connected and it's not gonna fall over even if I tilt it down. Now we need to add the minifigure. So here I'm using some headlight brick. So I have a sort of sitting area, and to this one I added this accessory to which I can connect the minifigure over here, and then we push it down. So here we can see this happy guy riding his mower. Now, I want to put this into a scene, keeping the piece count low and make it look a little bit interesting and fun, like my previous one that I built for the tightrope walking between the two cliffs. So here I have a base plate with two different shades of green. So here you can see where the grass has been cut. I added a few details. Here we have a trunk, we have a bunny, a few flowers, a air piece here as a rock, a mushroom, and I have this big fence piece at the back. You can see this four-stud space is gonna be for the big riding low mower that is gonna be up there till the edge, so you can see now clearly that the grass has been cut. And here I have a stud to which I can connect the underside over here. So here we have the smaller low mower that is cutting this way, so you can see the two different size of cut. And here we can also add the other minifigure, twist it a little bit on an angle. And you can see also that one is very happy and one is very pissed. Now, why is that? I wanted to create an effect like if this guy is spreading all the grass out of the low mower and splashing it towards this one. So what I decided to use is actually very simple. I'm using one of these bush pieces. I added a couple more plant pieces at the bottom. And if we sit this down over here, it looks like he's actually pushing and spitting out all the grass towards his friend on the right side. So I hope that this will be considered a nice part usage and that at a first glance people can think like the lawnmower is actually spitting out the grass. But let me know, guys, what you think about this one. If you like this tutorial and you want to have a bigger scale lawnmower, I recommend you to go and check out this other video tutorial for a bigger scale one. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.